So, hi everyone, Bradley from Unity Technologies here. I just wanted today to run you through a Zoom conference with Jack, who's going to be my Revit user. And we're just going to review one of our BIM models together. And I'm going to say a few changes to him and show you how easy it is to reflect that using Unity Reflect.
Yep, so I'm all the way in Shrewsbury, Shropshire in UK, so a good 5.5 hours from Bradley, who's down in Brighton, next to the seaside. As you can see, Bradley's using his iPhone here with the standard app, just off the App Store, and I'm acting as the Revit designer, architect type person. So Bradley, what do you want to look at? What do you want to change?
Okay, so, well, first things first, Jack, there's always a lot of football going on at school, so I want to protect those windows. So if possible, could you raise that wall up, and then maybe we'll save a few costs replacing some smashed windows.
Very good. Right, Bradley, I want to make you aware of the arrow symbol. That's the third one in. If you enable that, as I make changes next, which I'm going to do now, you'll be able to see straight away any impact that I have. So I'm just going to pull the wall up at the front. Obviously not a standard design, but you get an instant feedback to maybe some sort of football wall for goalies and all those things, basketball nets. How's that for you?
Exactly. Yeah, no, that's perfect. And I just had a thought. We've got the server room at the bottom left, so I think we want to remove those windows completely.
Okay, right. So I'm going to zoom into that window. I'm just going to delete it and then let go. How's that looking? Is that changed for you?
Yeah, spot on.
Do you want to zoom in a little bit more on the screen just so
you can see
it? So you're just using fingers, gestures, and able to navigate the model fairly well. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Cool. So in terms of the next steps, just looking at the model, with everything that's going on, I think that we're going to want to retake the exams in the sports hall as you do, but we'll want to remove the roofs and see if we can abide by that 2-meter distance that we all know and love.
Certainly. Well, I'm already ahead of you a little bit. There's a row of tables and chairs and a teacher desk, but I'm going to kind of give you some more as we progress. So, by the way, Bradley, there is augmented reality in that app. Would you like to try it?
Sounds good. Sounds good. Let me see what I can do. Right, so let me place it on the table. Here we go.
There you go.
Perfect.
Scale it down a little bit. Yep.
Scale it down. So now I'm able to look over the sports hall.
Okay.
See the chairs that you've put in there.
That's it. We just about to see them there on the screen. So I'm just going to, I'm not going to be too prescriptive here in my approach, but obviously using Revit, we can do this a little bit more accurately and dimension control and get you 2 meters and get them more aligned because they're not that well aligned, but they'll do. It gets the principle of the concept of, you know, how many tables and chairs, the spacing, and, you know, use the Revit functionality to get a good job there. How's that looking for you?
Exactly. No, that looks perfect. Thank you very much, Jack. I believe that's it in terms of my amendments.
Okay, good. Do you want to put the roof back on and you can have a little spin around?
Indeed. Yeah. Let's have a look.
And you see here, one of the things that we've done here is instant alterations based on feedback, because, you know, we could spend a week going back and forth with emails and suggesting ideas, forgetting things, where here we're able to communicate the changes instantly between us, and we got acceptance that Bradley's happy, we're ready to carry on the procedure of the design and take it through the next steps of the process. But Bradley, Are you happy? That's the thing.
I am indeed. I'm looking forward to working together, Jack. This is great.
Wonderful.
All right.
Great stuff.
Perfect.
Well, thanks for your attention and look forward to another video from the Dynamic Duo.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye.